Hello, in this video we will talk how to use a class type as a parameter for a method. So we have a product class and product tester class. So in the product class we have a default constructor, a parameterized constructor which takes a string for the name of the product, and also let's create another constructor here which takes two parameters. So public product, and then the first one would be the name of the product, and the second value which is double, and let's say it is p, so it takes the parameter for the price, and then we say name is n, and also price is p. Okay, so now in here we create a product apple, and let's say the apple is $10. Okay, so this is double. Okay, and also let's say we have p2, product 2, and let's say it is orange, and it is $15. Okay, um, okay, so we have get name. All right, so now let me also write another method here. So let's say display info method. So it would be public. Okay, and then it doesn't have to return anything. We can just say it is void. So public, let's say info, and it doesn't take any parameter. And when I call it, I want to display system out print line. So here I would say name, and then is not this much price, so price. Okay, so here after instead of writing system out print line again and again, so I just want to say p1 dot info, and then p2 dot info. Okay, so now let's see how this works. Okay, it says apple is $10, orange is $15. Okay, so in here I want to, so far we have seen that the set price, the parameter is double, and for this one parameter is string. So it is also possible to pass another class type as the parameter. So consider this. Let's say I am talking to one of the product, and I say I don't know how much you are. Okay, so let's say I am talking to P2, and I am saying that I don't know how much you are, but you know yourself, you know how much you are, and I will pass you P1, which means I will show you another product, and also I don't know how much it is. Actually, product 1 is $10, but I, as the main manager, so I am the manager, okay, in a company, and I am talking to products, and I say I don't know your price, and I don't know P1. So let's say I am talking with the P1. Okay, so P1 is the product that I am talking to, and I say I will show you another product which will be P2, and you are telling the product 1 that okay, it is your job to go ahead and learn the price of the P2, and whatever the price of P2, get it and make your price whatever it is. Okay, so that means I am change your, so I am you are telling the P1 to change its price, but P1 says, okay, to what price? And you say, I don't know which price, because you don't know if the product, second product is $15. You say, I will just show you the product, and it is your job to go and learn the price of the uh, P2, which this is the input actually, and then change it. So it is like this. If you are talking to P1, you start with the P1, and you are giving a command. You say, change your price. Okay, so in this case, so let's say set price to set price to um, another object. Okay, so it is a long method name, but anyway, so it is very clear what it means. Set price to another object's price actually, but let's keep it short. This is long enough. Um, so the parameter is, you don't say 15. So you don't know the other object's price. You just pass P2. Okay, so you that means you are showing P2 to the P1. Okay, so you say, uh, you are talking to P1, and you say, there is another object and its address location is this one. Go ahead and learn its price, and whatever its price is, take its price and change your price. Okay, so now let's write this. So let me just copy and paste. So this price should be in the P1, but we don't have it yet. So in the product class, so let me just uh, write here. So this should be public, of course. And what does it return? It doesn't have to return anything. I can make it void. Okay, and this should not be static, because this is object dependent. Okay, this is uh, definitely object dependent. It shouldn't be at the class level. So public void and name of the method, and inside of the parentheses we have to pass another object. So this object is also a product, another product, and let's call this other, because it is common to name the other object as other. So here, okay, okay. So okay, so here I say, first of all, I have to learn the other price, other object's price. So this is how I get it. I say other dot get price. Okay, okay. So get price. So this returns a price. So let me just use a local variable so that to make it easier to understand. So I can say double, and this price would be other object's price. Okay, so let's say other price. So after I get the other price, I want to make this object's um, price. So how do I refer to this object? I can say this dot, I can say price. Okay, or even if I say price, that should be okay, because in here I am referring to price on the top, which is this price here. So I say price equals other price. Okay, so if I do this, so let's see how it works. So in the tester class, I change the price of it, and then I say, let me display this. or P1, P2. Okay, so now let's see how it works. Okay, so it worked. So Apple was $10, and after we make this, it says Apple is $15, and orange remain unchanged. So here in the product class, I could either do this, or I can say this dot price. So if you do this, it is easier to understand, because this price is other price, whatever the other price is. Or let me comment this out. I want to show different ways to do this. Um, okay, also I can say this. So this refers to the object that I am talking to, which is P1. So this dot set price. Okay, and the parameter would be other price, which is this local variable here. If I run this program, okay, it worked, and we got the same result. Or let me also show another way to do this. Or I could say this dot set price, okay, set price, and the parameter is, I can say, other object, okay, which is the parameter we get from here, and I want to get its price. Other dot get price. Okay, in that case, this also becomes redundant. So this set price and other get price, and pass it as a parameter to this one. If I run it, okay, now it worked again. So I hope this is clear to everybody, and have a nice day.